Here you can track all your email activity. The big number shows your total emails, and the blue bubble shows how many are unread. This shows the total number of text messages you've sent or received. The blue count highlights unread texts. Check your fax communication logs and track recent activity for compliance and transparency. Use this to monitor your communication volume and stay connected with clients. The blue number shows any missed calls waiting for your attention. This section covers your in-app chat messages. The total shows all chats, while the red bubble means unread messages are waiting. Track all your video meetings right here. This chart gives you a live snapshot of your loan pipeline. Each bar represents how many files are currently in that specific stage. This chart tracks all your prospects and their loan application stages, from prospect to pre-approval to application date. Each bar shows how many clients are in that status. Need to remember an important date? Just click any day on the calendar to add a reminder. View today's rates. Click any rate to see its 14-day trend. This section shows total counts for all pricing-related items, including saved scenarios, pricing history, rate sheets, and alerts. Here you'll see total counts for all your CRM records, customers, partners, employees, and recruitment leads. This section displays totals for your essential tools like uploaded documents, e-signed files, training modules, and assigned tasks. View total counts for all marketing activities such as flyers, auto campaigns, manual campaigns, and ad approvals. View tasks assigned to you. Click a task to expand details or mark it completed when done. Need help? Contact your assigned support rep directly by phone or email. Click the information icon for instant guidance about dashboard features. Click this for mortgage or basic calculations. Both are available here. Open your calendar to check reminder and never miss a key meeting. Tap the video camera icon to start a new meeting to seamlessly coordinate with your team. Click the chat icon to view and manage in-app chats. Open the SMS panel to send or new conversations. Stay updated. Click the email icon to review unread messages. Access your profile and settings from the avatar icon for easy account management.